Hey guys, my name is Kevin. Welcome to Siesta. Something happened really crazy this week. My rear left tire totally exploded on the highway. You can call Tesla roadside assistance via the app or on the dashboard on the screen. And once you reach the customer support, you have to verify your car's name, the nickname, and also the odometer.
The vehicle's what? The name?
Nickname?
A nickname.
Yeah, and it will also be in your Tesla mobile app at the very top.
Okay. Odometer.
And then in the Tesla mobile app at the very
The problem here is I'm on the side of the freeway and my car cannot drive, so the address didn't get updated.
Yeah, it's called the Bayfront Expressway on the a Menlo Park. Can you see my address on the server side or something? Like I don't know if I should. Like the tires are completely melt down. You know, I took a picture of it. Yeah.
I'd highly recommend you not drive on that, just because it can mess with your suspension and everything else.
Yeah.
So I can't see your address, but if you go into the Tesla mobile app and you look for location, it will just say location, and then it will give you an address.
Yes, so as I was saying, you know, like 84 is like the bridge, right? And I drove on the East Bay side, and I found out my tire was flat on the way out of that bridge, so I parked on the right side, which is like right next to Facebook headquarters, One Hacker Way.
Okay, it's next to what headquarters? I apologize.
The Facebook headquarters. Like a print screen of my current location, or if that's possible.
So really, so again, in the Tesla mobile app, it will give you an address of where you are.
Yes,
at.
it says Bayfront Expressway. That's why it says.
Okay.
Yeah.
Front Expressway.
It's Bayfront Expressway. The closest intersection is like 84 and the 109, which is University Avenue. Which is the 109, yes. That's the closest intersection. Yeah, if it's possible, I can text you a location of my of me on the map.
Yeah, that would be great if you could just text me either a location or the longitude and latitude. That would be fantastic.
Were you able to get it?
Let me go ahead and check.
Yeah.
No, I have not received it. Was it a photo or did you just send me
It's a photo.
So I can't receive photos. All I'd be able to receive is a text message. I could have you send it to an email and then...
Okay, yes, email is fine. I think there is a way I can give you a longitudinal number, but I'm not sure this is the right. Let me text to you anyways.
Okay, that actually is perfect.
Okay, nice.
I'm just checking to see if we have a loaner wheel available in your area. Just give me 1 second.
Okay.
Let me go ahead and just
we'll
pull up with longitude and latitude. Oh, yep.
Yeah,
it pulls up exactly where you're at.
Okay, so the problem is that this place is like right under the exit of the bridge, so I don't know how the repair person can come, unless I drive maybe a little bit forward, into the the Facebook parking lot or something. So can you advise me on that, and also tell me how long this person can come?
So I'm gonna check ETA right now. How close? So are you on? So you're off the bridge though. You're on the exit.
Yes, I just got off. But this place is it's like a no man's land. It's really hard to come here. If you're coming from the other side of the road, so.
Yeah, if you...
Should I move a little bit forward?
If you're moving a short distance, you should be fine as long as we're not driving long distance on it.
Okay. Yeah, because the whole tire is it's already it's already tear up
blown.
Yeah. I can text you a photo of it also. Forward until I reach that intersection between the 84 and the 109. So maybe that would be a easier place for, it's safer. Yeah.
Yeah, that would probably be the
And how do I turn on the emergency light in the car?
So it should be up above. Let's see, on the 3. 1 second. So it will either be up ahead by the visor, by your rear view mirror.
Where you can turn on the emergency light.
And then I am not seeing any loaner wheels, so what we might just have to do today is get you towed over to the service center where they'd get your tire taken care of.
Oh, okay.
Or over to a third-party tire shop of your choice.
Sure, that's fine. We can go to the service center. That's fine. Do you know how much it will cost, like for the towing and the replacing the tire?
So your tire is going to be the only cost that you will have.
Okay.
You are still covered under the complimentary roadside warranty, so we would cover the tow.
Okay, thank you.
So I will go ahead and get this tow all set up for you, and I will give you a call in just a second with our ETA. Would that be all right?
Okay. Oh my god. Oh,
Go.
Hello.
Hi. Is Kevin
Hi, is this
speaking?
Kevin?
Yes.
Hi, this is Joan from Tesla. So I got that tow set up for you. They will be there in about an hour.
Okay. Is there any way they can come a little bit faster than that?
That is the soonest ETA that they have. If you are wanting faster assistance, you could also call either Highway Patrol or the local authorities. They have contracts with a lot of the tow companies, and they would be able to assist faster.
Okay. Why don't you let's keep that on schedule? But I want to let you know that I tried to move the car a little bit, but it makes some weird noises, so I don't know if I should move anymore. Yeah, I'll probably stop.
Yeah, then just go ahead and leave it there. Leave it with your hazards on. The tow provider will get everything figured out for you. We'd rather you be safe and not do any damage to anything. So let's just go ahead and just leave the vehicle there, and the tow provider will work with getting it.
Okay, cool. Okay, thank you. Is there anything I should watch out for?
Nope, you are good. Just keep yourself in the car and keep safe, and we will get you taken care of.
Okay, thank you, Joan.
Of course, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Will we be able to get a ride from him or her?
Yeah.
Okay, so even if 2 passengers, okay, got it, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, hi, Matt. It has been more than an hour since I'm waiting. Have a tow truck coming. Oh, okay, it's here. Okay, sorry. He just came right now as I call you. Okay, thank you. Okay.
Bye-bye, thank you.
Bye-bye. Hey, good to see you. So what?
Key card?
Yes.
That way I can activate it while you guys are in the truck. Alright, guys come with me.
So go through my bag and stuff.
Dangerous, so that's why I really appreciate this guy helping out so quickly and so promptly.
That's enough stress still.
Yeah, that might be easier.
Alright. Alright, so
Yeah, just drop it off kind of in the,
that's crazy. Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
How can I help you?
This is my car.
Oh, this is your car.
Yeah, so what should we...
Let's go inside and get your information.
Okay.
Just the tire, right? Maybe a wheel. I don't know.
You think so?
I mean, you said you were driving on it for a while?
No, like I was lucky. Like I was about to exit the bridge when 84 when that happened.
Okay.
So I parked right after I exited.
Okay.
So I didn't drive
I'll have
any.
to check, make sure it's not bent.
Okay.
It's not bent. So the total for the tire with parts and labor and a disposal fee of your old tire is $346 and 68 cents.
Okay.
Sending the estimate to your email.
After half an hour, they came up with a new update of the estimate.
6 cents with tax.
So that's total, right?
Total.
Okay, so 2 tires and then rotation from the back to the front. Okay. And you were mentioning like I should wait for the next time when I change 2 more new tire to do alignment.
Well,
right?
because your rear tires are going to wear faster anyways.
Okay.
So by the time the fronts wear, you're probably going to need all 4.
Okay.
So when you replace all 4, then I would do the alignment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Do I need to sign that again?
Your email, yeah. I
Okay.
can send.
Okay. I'll be sitting right here.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
All good to go now.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. And then your car's parked right up here in the front.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, that was pretty scary. Yeah.
Oh my, what was that?
That was really scary. Yeah. I've never had a flat tire before after like 25 years of driving.
Oh my god.
So I don't know why. Maybe like I hit a nail or something, and it didn't it didn't pop until like, I was driving on the freeway, or something. Right? I don't know.
Yeah, it could be a lot of things, to be honest
Yeah.
on that one. I know that for a fact that when it happens, you're just like, oh my god, what's going on right now?
Yeah,
Where's my
it
crack?
dropped so fast. It was like 40 psi, and then today it dropped from 40 to 20 in like 5 seconds, and then from 20 to 0 in like the next 10 seconds. So we got and it's like take over control or something. It's like code red in the spaceship.
Oh my god, I know, right? It's like, you're just like, wait, what's going on right now, right?
Yeah.
God, I'm so sorry to hear that.
I guess the good thing I was like exiting the bridge when that happened, so I immediately parked on the right. Yeah, or else I think the wheel or the alignment might be messed up or something, right?
Yeah, sometimes if you hit something really hard, your whole wheel, thankfully you caught it on time, because sometimes your whole wheel can get crashed or bent.
Oh my
or completely
god.
damaged,
Okay,
and then
okay.
that would be even a more costly repair. So it's like it's
Do you know like approximately how much more will that be? Like
For a
thousands?
wheel?
Yeah, like wheel.
I believe for a whole wheel, I think it costs like anywhere from $700 to $800.
Okay.
Yeah.
But how about the axle is the expensive one, right?
The which one?
The axial.
The axle?
Yeah, the axle if something
Surprisingly,
happened,
I believe the axle is cheaper than the wheel.
right? Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay,
Yeah,
I didn't know
so
that.
It just depends.
Okay. Thank you for your help.
Thank you so much,
Okay,
Kevin.
thank
Have
you.
a wonderful day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you.
All right. Oh, good. Some bud. Okay, so we got a new tire here in the back. Check this crazy tire. Oh wow. Good thing I didn't break the wheel, or else it might cost another $800. Good. Looks like they always pump it to 44, 45. Maybe that's how much I would do next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the content, please thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And let me know if you have any comment down below. Thank you. See you next. These are some of the tips that the professional at Tesla told me. So there are 3 things that you want to do. First, you want to check the tire pressure regularly, making sure that it is always around 44 to 46 psi for the Model 3. Second, you want to check your tire rotation for every 6 to 10,000 miles. Lastly, you want to be mindful of a pothole or even uneven roads. If you hit an object such as a manhole, pothole, or any other side of the curb, you want to make sure you get it checked. Hope everyone stays safe out there and take care to
during this crazy pandemic. See you.